A memorable pitch is more likely to be well received and passed on to others. One way to make your pitch more engaging is through the use of humor. Humor can disarm your audience, create a positive emotional connection, and make your pitch more memorable. Be careful with this approach, however. Humor used inappropriately or insensitively can detract from the serious business message you want to convey. Practice makes perfect. Delivering a great pitch requires preparation and practice. Start with a written outline, then refine your pitch until it's polished and ready for delivery. Once you have your pitch craft and refined, practice. Practice in front of mirrors, family members, or friends. Timing is also important. Make sure your pitch is within the expected duration. Be flexible too. Adjust if necessary. Additionally, being prepared to handle questions and objections is just as important. Think through any questions or objections that may arise during the presentation and be ready with clear and concise responses. This can help you to avoid being caught off guard or being perceived as unprepared and unprofessional. Remember to remain open to feedback and continuously refine your pitch to ensure it stays relevant and effective. The business landscape is ever changing, and what worked yesterday may not work today. It's also important to note that while having a perfect pitch is important, it's only one piece of a larger puzzle. Other important factors in achieving business success include having a clear value proposition, excellent customer service, and a solid marketing and sales strategy. Always remember that creating a perfect pitch is not a one-time event, but an ongoing process that requires constant tweaking. As you continue to learn more about your audience and your market, your pitch may need to evolve to stay relevant. The key is to stay focused on what matters most, delivering a clear, compelling message that resonates with your audience and motivates them to take action. In addition to refining your pitch, it's also important to stay up to date on the latest marketing and sales trends. By staying informed about new techniques and tools, you can continue to fine-tune your pitch and enhance your overall marketing strategy. One trend that's gaining popularity in the marketing world is the use of personalization. This involves tailoring your pitch to the individual needs and preferences of your target audience, and taking a one-size-fits-all approach. With the help of technology and data analytics, it's easier than ever to collect information about your audience and use it to personalize your messages in a meaningful way. Another trend to keep in mind is the rise of social media and mobile marketing. Today's consumers are constantly connected to their smartphones and social media accounts, making these platforms a powerful tool for reaching and engaging your target audience. Be sure to incorporate social media and mobile marketing into your pitch, and leverage the power of these platforms to build brand awareness and generate leads. As a helpful assistant, I can tell you that creating the perfect pitch can be a daunting task for many individuals. However, with practice and perseverance, anyone can create an effective pitch that is tailored to the needs of their audience. One of the most critical aspects of creating a perfect pitch is understanding your audience. This involves researching their behavior, preferences, and values in order to craft a message that resonates with them and positions your product or service as the answer to their challenges. Another key aspect of creating a perfect pitch is delivering a clear and concise message. You must be able to communicate all the necessary information in a brief, memorable, and meaningful way. The